नमो नमः। सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृतकक्षायां पुनः स्वागतम्। अद्य वयं दशमकक्षायाः द्वितीयं पाठं बुद्धिर्बलवती सदा इति पाठं पठामः। अयं पाठः सुखसप्ततिः नामकात् प्रसिद्धकथाग्रन्थात् सम्पादितः वर्तते। यथा वयं जानीमः, बुद्धिर्यस्य बलं तस्य। कः बलवान्? शरीरेण बलवान् न भवति। यः बुद्ध्या बलवान् भवति स एव निजः बलवान् भवति इति कथायाः सारः। आपत्सु कदापि विश्वासः न त्यक्तव्यः इति एषः कथा अस्मान् उद्बोधयति। अत्र एका वीरमहिला स्वस्य पुत्रैः सह गच्छन्ति कथम् आपद्भ्यः पुत्रान् स्वम् अपि रक्षति इति कथा अस्मान् निगदति। My dear students, welcome to the Sanskrit class. As we know, Sanskrit always makes us strong by mind. What is very important is that who is strong? According to us, whoever is the physically strong, we feel that a man is strong. But the strength lies in your mind, not in the body. That's what many stories tell us. This is the story which tells us that we have to be strong in the difficulties. The main thing we lose in the difficulties is hope. No, you should be more sharp enough to face the difficulties. That too, you the people who are going to be the future leaders, you must inculcate this quality that whenever the danger comes, you should not give up, because if your mind is sharp, you can come over any difficulty. That's what you are going to learn from this story. The story Buddhir Balavati Sada is taken from Shuka Saptati. This is series of stories. From that, this story is taken. For the benefit of the boys, today I am making this presentation. So instead of reading the story, I think that I will read line by line and explain you. In between, I will explain you the difficult words as well as grammar part 2. That's why when you sit to listen to the class, please be ready with the pen and book. So in between, I will be telling you the grammar points as well as meanings of the difficult words. Shall we start? Here we start the story. Asti Devulakyo Gramaha. Asti, there is a village. Its name is Devulakya. Devula is a name of the village. Tatra Rajasimha nama Rajaputraha vasati sma. एकदा केनापि आवश्यककार्येण तस्य भार्या बुद्धिमती पुत्रद्वयोपेता पितृगृहं प्रति चलिता। मार्गे गहनकानने सा एकं व्याघ्रं ददर्श। सा व्याघ्रम् आगच्छन्तं दृष्ट्वा धार्ष्ट्यात् पुत्रौ चपेटिकया प्रहृत्य जगाद। कथम् एकैकशो व्याघ्रभक्षणाय कलहं कुरुतः? अयमेकस्तावद् विभज्य भुज्यताम्। पश्चात् अन्यो द्वितीयः कश्चित् लक्ष्यते। अर्थात एतस्य अनुच्छेदस्य अर्थः अस्ति एकः ग्रामः आसीत्, तस्य ग्रामस्य नाम देवुलाख्यः। तस्मिन् देवुलाख्ये ग्रामे एकः राजसिंहः नाम राजपुत्रः अपि वसति स्म। तस्य राजसिंहः नाम राजपुत्रस्य पत्नी बुद्धिमती आसीत्। सा एकस्मिन् दिने अति आवश्यककार्येण तस्याः पुत्रद्वयम् अर्थात् पुत्रौ स्वीकृत्य तस्याः पितुः गृहं गच्छन्ती आसीत्। पूर्वस्मिन् काले गहन अरण्यानि आसन्। सा यदा गृहं गच्छति स्म, मार्गे एकस्य वनस्य मध्यतः गन्तव्यम् आपतितम्। गहनकानने अर्थात् काननं नाम वनं, गहनकानने गहने अरण्ये सा एकं व्याघ्रं दृष्टवती। सः व्याघ्रः एतेषां समक्षम् आगच्छति स्म। एतेषां समक्षं नाम समीपम् आगच्छति स्म। तद् दृष्ट्वा सा न भयभीता अभवत्, तस्याः भयं न अभवत्। सा किं कृतवती, बहुबलेन पुत्रौ चपेटिकया प्रहृत्य सम्यक् चपेटिकां कपोले ताडितवती। अनन्तरम् उक्तवती उच्चैः, भवन्तौ द्वौ पुत्रौ स्तः, किमर्थं कलहं कुरुतः? व्याघ्रं खादामि इति कलहं कुरुतः। अयम् एकस्तावद् विभज्य भुज्यताम्। अत्र तु एक एव व्याघ्रः अस्ति, तं सम्यक् भवन्तः विभागं कृत्वा खादन्तु। अनन्तरं यदि द्वितीयः लभ्यते तदानीं पश्यामः इति। So in this story, the summary of the first paragraph is that there is a village. The name of the village is Devulakhya. So there a prince was living. The name of the prince was Rajasimha. He had a wife. The name of the wife is Buddhimati. She is very clever, as the name suggests. Because of some urgent work, one day she started to go to her father's home. On the way, she has to cross a dense forest. In the dense forest, when she was moving with two sons, she saw a tiger was coming towards them. Looking at the tiger, instead of getting fear, she, with lot of force, she slapped the sons. She slapped both the sons and told, "My dear children, why are you fighting to eat the tiger? Here only one tiger is there. If you want, you have to share it and you have to eat. Sooner or later, when we find the second tiger, we will see the second one and you can have it as you wish." Like that she was telling. Such a clever lady that we have to understand. Understood? Devulakhyo nama. Now grammar points I will tell you. Devulakhyo nama. Devulakhyo gramaha. Devulakhyaha gramaha. Visarga sandhi. Rajasimhaha. Rajasimhaha means Ragnaha Simhaha Rajasimhaha. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Same Rajaputraha. Rajaputraha nama Ragnaha Putraha Rajaputraha. Kenapi. Kena adikam api kenapi savarna dirgha sandhihi. Avashyakaryena. Avashyakena कार्येण आवश्यक कार्येण कर्मधारय समासः. भार्या इत्यस्य पर्यायपदं पत्नी. Very very important. Keep it in star mark. I tell you in the 10th class, whatever I say in star mark, it is very important. बुद्धिमती, बुद्धि अधिकम मतु प्रत्यय. So in the next class, in the coming classes, I will take you the grammar classes. Then I will teach you what is the matu pratyaya. Buddhi adhikam matup in stri, buddhimati. Piturgruham, pituhu gruham, piturgruham. कानने शब्दार्थः. काननं नाम वनम्, अरण्यम्, अटवी, विपिनम्. आगच्छन्तम्, आ अधिकम, this is also very important. आ अधिकम गम अधिकम शत्रु प्रत्ययः. आगच्छन् इति भवति. द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचने आगच्छन्तम् इति भवति. व्याघ्र भक्षणाय, व्याघ्रस्य भक्षणाय, व्याघ्र भक्षणाय षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. कलहः नाम कोलाहलः. पश्चात्, पश्चात् नाम अनन्तरं. द्वितीयः इति व्याघ्रः इत्यस्य विशेषणम्. एकः व्याघ्रः, द्वितीयः व्याघ्रः इति विशेष्य विशेषणम्. एवं व्याकरणांशाः आसीत्. स्पष्टमस्ति इति चिन्तयामि. अग्रे पठामः. चित्रं पश्यन्तु. तत्र व्याघ्रः पलायमानः अस्ति. माता पुत्रौ च. अवगतम्? In this picture it is very well explained that mother is with two children and the tiger got scared and it is running away. Iti shrutva vyagramari kachit iyam iti matva vyagro bhayakula chitto nashtaha. After listening the conversation between the mother and children, the tiger got scared. It got scared that this is the lady who eats the tigers. Vyagramari. Vyagram marayati iti Vyagramari. Okay, very important. Vyagram marayati. One who kills the tiger. Kachit, strilinge. Iyam, she. Iti matva. After knowing that Vyagraha, the tiger. This is very, very important. Bhayakula chittaha. Bhayena akulaha भयाकुलः. भयाकुलः भयाकुलं चित्तं यस्य सः भयाकुलचित्तः. भयाकुलं चित्तं यस्य सः भयाकुलचित्तः बहुव्रीहि समासः. नष्टः अभवत्. Is it clear? बहुव्रीहि समास very very important. व्याघ्रो भयाकुलचित्तो. व्याघ्रः भयाकुल चित्तः. भयाकुल चित्तः नष्टः. भयाकुल चित्तो नष्टः. This is the visarga sandhi where visarga is becoming O. Vyagro. Visarga has become O here. Chittaha. Here also visarga has become O. Bhayakula chittaha nashtaha. So like this, today we have learnt that there was a village. Its name is Devulakya. The name of the village is Devulakya. There lived a princess, Rajasimha nama Rajaputraha. There lived a princess, his name is Rajasimha. His wife Buddhimati, because of some urgent work, she started to go to her father's home. On the way, she has to cross a dense forest. So while crossing the dense forest, she saw a tiger coming to them. Instead of getting scared, she started slapping her sons and told very loudly, "Why both of you are fighting together to eat the tiger? Here you two are there, but the tiger is one. So you have to share it and eat." When we see the another tiger, we will decide who will eat that tiger. So after listening to the conversation of the mother and these children, this tiger got scared and it thought that these are the people who are going to eat the tigers. So it got so much of scared. Bhayakula chittaham. It got so much of scared and ran away, started running away from there. What happens in the next paragraphs, we will see in the next class. Thank you.